To connect a USB mic with Adobe Audition using macOS, first plug your microphone into the USB slot specific to it. My mic takes the regular old USB, and for example, if yours took C, of course find the C port, etc. Once connected to the computer, it should automatically be detected, and then we can go inside of Adobe Audition. Now that we are inside of Adobe Audition, we're going to find Adobe Audition on the top left on your menu bar right up here. Click Adobe Audition, find Preferences, and then we're going to find Audio Hardware. Click Audio Hardware. Now inside of the Audio Hardware Preferences, we're going to look at Device Class. Make sure that says Core Audio, and default input, we want to change that to our microphone. I already have it changed right here because I actively use my microphone to record. I'm using it right now. Okay. But just for example, say I change it to something different. Anytime you change your audio input, this menu will pop up. It's just notifying you that your audio input has changed. Now you can click Don't Show if you want to, but I like to keep it on personally because it's nice to know if say something's not working, like my USB connection is faulty, then in the middle of recording, I'll get this pop up right here, and that'll notify me that there's something wrong with my audio connection. So you can click yes right here, and we're gonna switch back to our USB microphone. Again, it pops up. Click yes again, click OK, hit that record button. I'm not gonna name it anything because this is just for practice, and boom, we are inside of Adobe Audition recording like pros with our USB microphone. All right, guys, I hope this helps.